Good afternoon, everybody. It's me, Marina Honda from Prominent Kids School, Grade 6, and today I'm going to share you some information about leaves. So, first of all, we will learn what means leaves. So, leaves are known as food factors of a plant because leaves make food for the plant, which is needed for plants. So, today I'm going to share you all about leaves and about the reticular and parallel veneration. So first of all, I will take a leaf. Here I have got a leaf. The straight line which you can see is called the midrib, and these veins which are darker, these lines are called veins, and the small lines which are crisscross here are called venlets. And this last portion of the leaf, which you can see here, is called petiole. Petiole. So this you have learned about the parts of the plant. So now I will say you by separating which type of leaves are called parallel venation and which are called reticular. So here you can see all the lines are crisscross here inside. So this type of leaves I call reticulate venation. So here in the same way I have another leaf. This is leaf of rose plant, and here you can see here the color of the leaf is dark, so you cannot see the veins properly. If you turn it back, then you can see that these veins are all crisscross and it's crisscross with each other. And you can see here is also a midrib which I have described before. Here is a midrib, and this is called the leaf blade, which is uh, which is on the two side parts of after the midrib. Then these lines are called veins. Here you can see by turning it back, these lines are called veins, and the small lines, intersecting lines, are called venlets. I have described it before also. And another information here in the every leaf, all type of leaf, there is stomata present, which are the tiny openings of the leaves from which they take in air and throw out air, and also throw out some water which is not needed. So those stomata are too small that it can be seen from only microscopes. It cannot be seen from our naked eyes. So moving on, I have another leaf, and this is leaf of maize plant. You know maize, and here you can see very easily that the lines are straight, they are not intersecting. None of the plant are crisscross, none of the lines are crisscross. So this types of, so it is called parallel venation. So moving on, I have some more other leaves and I'm going to describe about that also. So here I have another leaf. Here also midrib. Here is midrib. Here is petiole, and here are vents, side vents. Vents are also called side vents and ventlets as well. And in this leaf also there is stomata, and in not only this and the one which I described before, but in all type of leaves there is stomata. And 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 as you can see here, there is some lines which are crisscross. So as I have already explained before, the lines which are crisscross, the veins which are crisscross, those type of veins or those type of leaves are called reticulate veins, or reticular venation. So this is also reticular venation. Here I have next leaf. It is of strawberry plant, and here also you can see all the parts which I have described, and here is also stomata as well. And here the the venlets are crisscrossed and they are intersected with one another. The veins are intersecting, so this type of, so it is called reticulate venation. In the same way, I have another leaf here. This is also reticular venation because here you can see the lines are intersecting. If you turn it back, then you can see it very clearly and properly that the lines are not parallel; they are intersected. So this type of leaves, this type of veins are called reticulate venation. In the same way, I have another leaf here. Here also you can see all the parts of the leaf which I have described, and here also the leaves are all intersected, they are crisscross. You can see it from the back side of the leaf, and so it is called reticulate venation. I have another leaf which is of banana tree. It is bananas leaf. Here also you can see all parts of the leaf which I have described, and here is also stomata, and you cannot see it because they are very tiny. You can see it with the help of microscope because they are very small that we can see it from our own naked eyes. And here, as you can see from both sides of this plant, that the veins and ventlets are not crisscrossed, they are not intersected. So this type of so you can know that bananas plants leaves are parallel venation. So moving on, I have another leaf. Here also you can see veins, ventlets, midrib, petiole, and leaf blade, and every parts. And but you cannot see stomata because I have already told that they are very small. And and here you can see that I'm turning it backside so that it will be easy for you to see the vents, ventlets, and here you can see that all the ventlets are crisscross with each other. They are not parallel like one of banana and maize. So these type of leaves, these types of vents are called reticulate venation. So I have one last leaf. Here you can see I'm turning it backside. Here you can see that these lines are not parallel, these are intersecting. You can see it very clearly here and here, so it is called reticular venation. So I hope you have learned about the parts of leaf, you have learned about the leaf, parts of leaf, and about the parallel venation as well as the reticular venation. And now I hope you have learned that which type of leaves are parallel venation and which types are reticular venation. So this was all what I wanted to share to you today. Hope you liked my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it because I will be posting more new knowledgeable and interesting videos. So this much for today. We will meet again next time. Bye bye.